Welcome to Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Like many folks that come here to the park, I'm out enjoying the trails for my own pleasure. But what a lot of folks don't realize is that there's a lot of amazing and incredible science that happens right here on the park. In fact, in the past 20 years, we have doubled our knowledge of what we know is living here in the park. Discover Life in America is a project that started out with a goal to inventory all living things here in the park through the All-Taxa Biodiversity Inventory. So how do we learn about all these incredible things in the park? It starts by being curious and being a good observer. As penned by Sir Conan Arthur Doyle, allow me to quote Sherlock Holmes, "I see no more than you. I have just trained myself to notice what I see." All it takes is for you to slow down, stop, and notice the things that are around you. It's a skill that can be learned, practiced, and mastered. We found 3 simple steps to help you learn the process. It's finishing the sentences, I notice, I wonder, and it reminds me of. My friend Joey is out looking at lichens today, and he has got some great examples to help you learn and work through the process of being a better observer.
Thanks, Ranger Rhonda. And hey, y'all, I'm Joey, and today we're going to be doing a deep exploration of one of my favorite organisms, lichen. So if you want to follow along with this activity at home, you absolutely can. But there are a few things that you're going to need.
First, you're going to need a journal. Check. Next, a pencil. Check. You'll also need a magnifying glass or hand lens. Check. Finally, the ability to make careful observations.
That leaf is green.
Check. So now that we have everything we need, let's go find some lichen.
Make sure you document any discoveries you make in your journal. So everybody's journal is going to look a little bit different, but I do have some tips that'll make for a solid journal entry.
Once you've found your specimen, celebrate, for this is a victory. Once you're done celebrating, get out your journal and start by noticing the physical characteristics of your lichen. Maybe it's crusty. Maybe it's leafy. Maybe it's shrubby. Maybe you're not even entirely sure that it is a lichen. Whatever, just journal about it. Use a drawing to attract your attention to detail. Is there anything you can count or measure? Nice, throw that in there. Is there anything that deserves a close-up? Sick, draw that too. Next, write down any questions that you come up with about your lichen. Maybe this question has no answer.
Hey, lichen, do you ever feel regret?
Maybe it's a question that requires research.
Seriously, what even is this thing?
Maybe it's a question that you can answer with a simple observation or experiment. Maybe you write down some possible answers to that question. Maybe you misspell one of those answers, but just roll with it anyway. Maybe you rub something weird on your face to test one of those answers. Maybe all you really needed to do was look a little bit closer and you could have found the answer right in front of your face and really didn't need to rub anything on it in the first place. I really don't know. That's up to you. Lastly, make connections and think creatively. Take a good look at your lichen again. Is there anything in particular that it reminds you of? Draw it and write that on down. You can even write a letter from the lichen to its substrate. Dear Rock, it's your friend, the lichen. I just want you to know you are so nice. I am really liking living on you. I promise, I will never take you for granted. Maybe you come up with something even more creative. Again, this one's up to you.
Thanks, Joey. It's really helpful to remember those 3 prompts when making observations. I notice, I wonder, and it reminds me of. And remember, you can make observations on anything. On a flower, on the mountains, or even on the moon. So, go out, explore, and observe the world around you, and remember, have fun and stay curious.